You're welcome to this class. I'm Rachel and I'm here to teach you mathematics. This is mathematics for grade 3. And the topic we're taking is time. We all know that time passes day by day, and time simply means the passing of days and hours and so on. So when we talk about time, the means of measuring time in this modern time or in this day is a clock, a wall clock, a wristwatch, and even the digital watch we have on our phones are means or measures of measuring time. Like you can see here is a wall clock. With this wall clock we can tell the time of the day in which we are. Now the other question is, how can we use the clock in telling time? First of all, we need to understand the fingers on the wall clock. Like you can see here, there are 3 fingers on this clock. We have the very tiny one that keeps moving. That's the seconds hand. Then we also have the minute hand, which is the longer one, and the hour hand, the short one. Now when you're telling time, the long hand, when it moves to point at 12, you can see the arrow here. Let me move this now for this long hand to point at 12. When it moves to point at 12, it is o'clock. Wherever the short hand may be at, that long hand is helping you to identify that at this point of 12, you read o'clock. Now you can see the short and the long hand are both on the same place. So you read it out as 12 o'clock. Now when this minute hand moves to, when the minute hand moves to 3, as you can see here and on the chart, you read the time as quarter past or 15 minutes past. 15 minutes past whatever the hour is. Like on the face of this clock, we can say it's 15 minutes past 12. When this same minute hand moves down to 6, yes, we're going to call it half past. And in this case, it is half past 12. We also move it further to 9. When it moves to 9, this time we have it as quarter, but not past anymore, but quarter to. And it is, you know, it's no longer on 12, it is moving towards 1. So it's quarter to 1. Now, one other thing you need to understand about telling the time with a clock is that each of these numbers represents 5 moving forward. Like from 12 to 1 is 5 minutes, to 2 is 10 minutes, 15 minutes, 20 minutes, 25 minutes, 30 minutes. At point 30 minutes, we also say half past. 35 minutes, 40 minutes, 45 minutes. At point 45 minutes, we say quarter to. So let's look at the faces of this clock here on this chart. We're using 2 as our point of reference here. You can see the hour hand like I showed you earlier. We have this long hand pointing at 12. And the hour hand is pointing at 2. So this is 2 o'clock. We either write it this way, 2 o'clock, or we write 2 with a double 0 following it. And when the minute hand gets to 3, still the hour hand is on 2. We have 5, 10, 15 minutes past 2, which is what you see here. Another way of saying 15 minutes past 2 is quarter past 2. Still with reference to 2, to the hour of 2. We have the long hand, which is the minute hand, pointing at 6. And when we count from 12 to 1, we have 5 minutes, 10 minutes, 15 minutes, 20 minutes, 25 minutes, and 30 minutes. So this minute hand has moved down to 30 minutes past 2. That is why we say the time here is 2:30 or 2:30. So it's very important for us to understand how the hands on the clock operate so that we can easily tell the time. I would like us to do a little exercise while you're there at home. I'd like you to draw the faces of clocks representing 3:30. That means you're drawing your clock's face, putting the numbers. Your hour hand will point at 3, hour hand being the short hand, and the minute hand will point at 6. At 6, which is a long hand. I would like you to do this. Try this at home. 3:30, 2:45. 2:45 means your minute hand will move and point at 9, while the hour hand is pointing at 3. 3 o'clock and 3:15. So I wish you try this and let me know how it goes.